Okay, YouTube, so I am way out of frame. But today we are finally back with another color tutorial. I have a new wig headstand and a new dummy head, so we're gonna try this out and see how much better this is. I finally invested in an actual hair stand. Anyway, what are we talking about? We're talking about Eva wigs, and we're talking about her 22-inch full lace wig. So let me say hello to her real quick. Let me just spin her around so we can talk about how sis is a full lace wig. But she's completely full lace, so all the way up and through, which essentially is going to give me a little bit more work when I'm doing the rooting, because I think I am going to do some rooting on this hair, but that means I'm going to have to root all of this and not just the frontal. However, she also is oh god, the hair is the ball, but she's also, sit down, that says pre-plucked. So she got that whole pre-plucked thing going on. She has a natural groove. I'm probably gonna pluck a little bit more because you guys know I love to make my frontals damn near bald. So I'm gonna pluck a little bit more by the ear tab, take a little bit of that bulk out. But I hope you guys are excited because we are doing our dyeing tutorial again, and we are doing a we're doing a look that you guys have asked for. This is another viral look. I'm sure tons of you have seen on your Instagrams, on your Pinterest. I'll put a picture up here, there, whatever. I think Arrogant Tay is the first person to do this look. I'm not sure though. If he's not, I'll correct myself in the description box or in the comments, but I'm pretty sure I saw somewhere that Arrogant Tay was the creator of this look, so all credit goes to him for this inspiration. And I'm gonna try to do it in an easy way, a way that you guys can follow. So we're gonna do a watercolor method. We're gonna do like almost 4 to 5 colors, and we're gonna watercolor this hair in an ombre fashion. So this could work out terribly, or this could work out great. Yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what dyes we'll be using for this. So the first dye that I picked up is the Adore Ginger, and this will be the lightest color. So this is what our 613 is going to blend into. Following that will be the Spiced Amber. That's going to lead us into our brown colors, our nice warm browns. Then we have the Kiss Honey Brown. That's when we're going to start getting into our deeper colors. I also picked up the Kiss Dark Brown. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of the colors I bought, but this might be the one that I do not use. It might be a little bit unnecessary, but I thought for blending purposes we just pick it up anyway. Then we have our Kiss Darkest Brown. And last but not least, we have the Kiss Black. So I have the hot water, and we're just going to start off with the ginger. And I'm going to start off with a little bit because I don't really want this to be orange. I just want a nice transition color from our 613 to our brown. And as you guys can see, I've sectioned off the hair into 3 sections just so it's a little bit easier to work with. I'm trying not to dip it too far in. Alright you guys, so I'm running extremely late this morning, but I wanted to just hop on here to show you guys this finished look. Let's see. The coloring came out pretty good. I am not completely sold on the blend though. I think if I had hand painted it, the blend would have been fucking mint. However, I don't know, it's a little bit too choppy for me. Like the line of demarcation is kind of noticeable. Even Craig kind of noticed it. He's like, oh yeah, I can kind of see where it stops and starts. So I think I will eventually go in and hand paint over it, just kind of like here and here and then here and here. So like just to kind of go in and blend it a little bit more so you're not seeing like that huge jump in color. It's not that bad, but I think on camera it's showing up way worse than it is. It's not actually that bad. It's just the perfectionist in me is like, yeah, no, I don't like being able to see where the colors start and stop. So I'm definitely going to hop on here and do some hand painting and get it together. So let's see, a couple of things. You guys did see me go back in with a little bit of the spiced amber and some conditioner and kind of go over where I did the ginger, only because the ginger was coming out a little too orange and I needed to tone it down a little bit just so it's not super fiery orange. It's not the look I was going for. I wanted it to be a little bit more neutral, but I'm okay with the bright, like warm color tone that I have with this. I'm glad it came out like not an exact replica, because you want to be inspired. You don't want to completely recreate people's looks, so you want to switch it up. No one can do what anyone else can do anyway, so you can't completely replicate anything exactly how anyone did it. So I'm not too upset about it. I actually really do like this color combo. You also saw me go in and root the hair with a little bit of the spiced amber and a teeny tiny bit of the Kiss Honey Brown mixed into it. I wanted to kind of mimic what was happening here, up here. So it's not like a regular rooting. It's definitely more of like a, there's like an ombre going on here, an ombre going on here. Some people like cooler roots, and you're welcome to do that, but with the look that I was going for, I just wanted kind of like a mirror effect, so like it starts, stops, and then starts again. Whatever, who cares? Let's move on. This wig is the 22-inch full lace wig from Eva Wigs, evawigs.com. I'll have all the information linked below for you guys. You guys know I love working with Eva because of the quality of the hair. I do have a little bit of shedding, as with 613 wigs, plus it's a full wig, so it's definitely, there are no wefts. Each hair is individually tied in, so you're gonna get shedding with this. So wearing a black sweater is not ideal, but I did put on one so I can show you guys exactly what the shedding, that's not actually shed hair, that's still attached, but exactly what the shedding is looking like. You got a few hairs here, and that's actually not attached. Okay, so I do have some shedding. It's not showing on camera, but I got a little bit of shedding. Bad things about this wig, none, absolutely none, as per usual. She is bomb.com. I'm not having any problems. It is glued on, but I don't have any like I don't have a band on or anything. It comes with a band. I just have been lazy and not sewing my bands on. Took the color amazingly. It took the color right away. I have no problems with this hair. Is it thin? Like as far as the density goes, yes, it's a full lace wig and it is straight, so I kind of expected it to have a lower density. You can choose the density on the website, I believe, and mine is a 150 density, so it's very natural. It's a very natural density, like it's not bulky or anything. It's enough hair to do what you want to, but I just feel like if I went to curl this hair, the hair would be a little bit too light. Like there's no weight to it. There's no density to it. So yeah, that would be my only qualm, is that if you're gonna get this wig, you're better off wearing it straight. Otherwise, it's just not gonna give you the body that you want, because it's not a very full wig. But again, it's a full lace wig. It's meant to look as natural as possible. If you guys are into that, which I kind of am into that right now, like getting older, I feel like 6 packs of hair in my head might just be a little too much. Just a little too much. Like full bundles in the front, so it might be a little too much for me. So I'm going with more of like a natural density. But as I grow my hair out underneath my wigs, I'm gonna have to go back to bigger wigs just to kind of hide my 2 cornrows that I keep up underneath this mug. You hear me? Anyway, I don't have any bad things to say about this wig. I really never have anything bad things to say about Eva's wigs. I'm gonna do a quick turnaround so you guys can see all the hair to the back. So that is just about it for this video, you guys. I don't know if it's going to be a short one until I edit it, but I kind of tried to keep it shorter for you, so hopefully you enjoyed it and you enjoyed me coloring hair again. So this is doable with the watercolor method if you're okay with not having a perfect blend. If you want the blend to be immaculate, then I do suggest you doing this hand painted style. Just take the extra time, but if you are in a rush and you want a look, definitely go ahead. It took me about 20 minutes, and it only took me 20 minutes because I was filming and doing it individually. Like, if you want to fill up 4 things of water and do each dye separately and just go down the line, it probably would work for you a lot better. You can probably achieve this look in about 10 minutes, like no lie, with the exception of the rooting. That's going to take you a little bit of time if you want to do that, but it's optional, so there you go. Anyway, you guys, I love you so much. I gotta go to work before they kick my or before they fire me. One of these days, I'm gonna come on here and begging y'all for a Patreon because I'm gonna get fired. Okay, so yeah, love you guys so much. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Mwah.